Hi, I'm Miles Cochran, Public Information Officer for Caltrans on the North Coast. Cable median barriers like these have become a popular and cost-effective method at keeping our highways safe and reducing cross-median collisions. This one was recently installed, and days afterward it was put to the test, and it was effective.
An errant motorist drifted into the median of US Highway 101 in Humboldt County, right into the cable median barrier that had just been installed. It prevented what could have been a cross-median head-on collision. Cable median barriers look like cable fences, but how do they work?
The car that runs into it will push the cable over up to about 10 feet and then be redirected.
That's a lot of energy that we can take out of the vehicles in a manner that doesn't affect the driver as intensely as hitting like a concrete wall. We assume when we design these that the car's going to go off the travelway and hit that barrier. Now what injuries I'd expect with cable median would be minimal, like minor.
And they were. The driver walked away from his encounter with the cable barrier uninjured. But drivers and passengers aren't the only ones that are safer when dealing with cable barriers.
The advantage the cable barrier has is that it's a little easier to repair compared to a Thri-Beam.
We just lifted the cables back up, put the posts in place. They were in and out of there in 30 minutes and thrilled because it was that fast to get that system back up and running. And then, of course, when we can do that, we have less exposure for our people.
And to top it all off, the cable barriers tend to look nicer and interact better with the surrounding environment.
It provides less of a visual obstruction. It's not necessarily easier, but small animals are easier to negotiate, and it is less expensive to construct.
We don't consider cable median barriers being visually impacting to our ocean views or our watershed views, and that's a nice feature too. I think the Coastal Commission and some of the other agencies really appreciates that.
For more information on these, just go to the Caltrans website and search cable median barriers. For Caltrans Newsflash, I'm Miles Cochran.